New lifter. The new lifter tool will deliver faster lifter creation to shorten the design period. With real-time preview, you can adjust all parameters and check the updates instantly. Lifter command provides two typical types of lifter: original lifter and rough rod lifter. Pick the location point and align it. You can adjust its parameters like rod width, rod height, and so on. What's more, you can set the push-out distance and the angle, which will calculate how long the demold stroke needs to be. Click OK, then the lifter has been created. After that, you can edit it easily to finish the lifter design.